So this is going to be the first part of Go language tutorial. So in order to start with Go language, we should have Go language installed in our PC. So I'm going to use Windows for this tutorial, and let me just download, and you have to click on download button. You can simply search on Google, or I will give you link in the description to download this. So here we have Microsoft Windows. I'm going to download for this one. Okay, downloading started. If you're going to see that, so here we have. So I'm going to install. Next, next. Okay, it is taking some time.